In this video, we will learn how to create description keys and apply them to COGO points to change their display and move them to the desired layer. In the previous exercise, the points we created were placed on the current layer according to the settings. Now, let's see how we can change this using description keys and also alter their style. To do this, go to the Settings tab in the tool space and expand the point collection. Next, expand the description key sets folder and select an existing set. Click on Edit Keys to create a new line and enter a code name. You can use an asterisk to ignore any characters that may appear in the code after the letters line. Then, change the point style and label style. If you're using a template from the country kit for India, you may already have customized styles with the IND prefix in your template. You can also change the layer for the default points. Creating a new description key is not difficult. However, it won't affect points that have already been created. Therefore, you need to apply new description key sets to all points in the drawing. After doing this, the points will display according to the new styles and be sent to the correct layer.